Hey friends, and welcome to another video. My day didn't start right here, so let me just fill you in. Woke up, made breakfast, gave the baby his bath, fed him. It was quite a long feed because he's sleeping longer in the nights now, so he feeds for very long in the morning. And then once I put him down, I came into the bathroom and proceeded to wash and detangle my hair. So I'm done now, and I'm not doing anything exciting. I'm just adding some leave-in conditioner and some curl cream. I'm using products from the Adwoa line. My products are almost done and I love them. They're my favorite hair products so far, but I'm not gonna repurchase these particular ones because I'm dying to try their new line, which is the bottles are blue, and that's because it has something called blue tansy in there. So I'm excited to try that out. Once I got my hair together, I put on my tummy control panties. You know you need those. Got some booty shorts on, feeling all cute, and I'm wearing my shirt. This shirt is from our girls trip last year. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush some gel into my brows so they'll stay in place. And then after that, I'm gonna proceed with some Il Makiage mascara, followed by some lip gloss. So guys, I was trying to show you how I made a mess of my eye, but the camera wasn't focusing, so whatever. So I have lip gloss with my name on it, and of course we need deodorant. Can't be up and about all over the place without that. And you know, black t-shirt, black anything means you put on your clothes before you put on the deodorant. Now guys, I don't know why I did not mist my face before I put mascara on, but you know, it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. I'm all done, and this is my little dance. Now I gotta go spread this bed. Yes, for YouTube magic. Alright, so next stop is in the kitchen. Here's all the dishes from breakfast. So this is proof that I did make breakfast, guys. Yeah, proof that I made breakfast. I've had this chicken thawing out, so I'm gonna go and clean it up and just portion it up. I'm not gonna cook it for today because I still have leftovers. So out of this bag, I got portions for 2 dinners, and then I have the wings separately. Nobody in this house likes to eat wings, so I try to keep all the wings from all the chicken that we buy, and then I just do wings one day. They'll eat it like that, but like to make wings with regular chicken, like to bake chicken or to curry chicken or something like that, they don't like it, so we don't do that. So this parsley is gonna be used for dinner tomorrow, so I'm gonna set it in the fridge for now. And of course, after you deal with meat, you definitely have to clean up. So here we go with my Jaws disinfectant cleaner. So today is garbage day, and we already have our bin out by the curb, but I was waiting to clean up the chicken to empty the bag that I have in the bin inside just now. So since that's empty, I can now throw away this cake container. It was in the fridge because I didn't want ants to come inside, so I didn't want to put it in the garbage bin before I was sure I was going to take it out. Now when I took that bag out of the garbage bin, I realized that it was leaking, so I had to go outside and double bag, and then I had to wash the garbage bin out. Now I'm heading back to the backyard to rinse the garbage bin out. I'm gonna rinse it out, leave it to dry, and then I'm gonna wipe it down with a disinfectant wipe. I had a corned beef sandwich for lunch, and then I proceeded to fold some clothes that I've had for roughly a week now. So I have the baby's clothes and some clothes of my own. If you watch my last videos, you would have seen me doing laundry, and you may have noticed that all the laundry that I did, there was none for baby and there was none for me. So this is it now. This little bag are stuff that I'm gonna give away that can no longer fit baby. And then as I'm sorting through my clothes, I'm gonna also take some stuff out that just need to go, but that I don't think are worthy of giving away to somebody. So I'm just gonna throw them into the garbage, and that is the pile of things that's going into the garbage. These are the clothes that I folded, and the ones that I showed before are gonna be hung up. So going into the kitchen to just finish drying those dishes that were washed earlier and put them away. I was pretty sure I was gonna come under here and find some craziness going on. The kids apparently they can't figure out how to just make things fit. So they kind of just toss things under here, and if I don't fix them properly, then there's just things falling out when you open the door. As I said, I'm not making dinner because we have leftovers. This pot was left in the fridge. Somebody left 1 spoon of rice in the pot just so they didn't have to wash it up. And it is about that time of the evening. It is around 5:30. Little man usually goes down around this time, so he was getting fussy. And here he is, knocked out. This is his time. He's gonna be gone for 5 to 6 hours now, so I'm gonna go and put him down and get myself a nightcap. And my nightcap of choice tonight, because we're being festive, is sorry liqueur. I love this. You should try it if you have it. If you're in Jamaica, if you know somebody coming to Jamaica, ask them to get you some sorry liqueur. It's the bomb. Alright guys, thank you so much for spending 10 minutes of your life with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.